Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'm going to make something real quick today. It's going to be pickle beet salad. You need some pickled beets. I just picked up a can at Walmart. A cabbage. And some carrots. And I'm going to use raspberry vinaigrette dressing. You can use any kind of dressing you think you like. It really needs to be a vinegar based dressing. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started, and we're going to shred up the cabbage and shred up the carrots. Okay, now I have a cup of cabbage shredded up. We're going to do half a cup of carrots, and you do need to scrape your carrots. Okay, I have half a cup of shredded carrots, a cup of cabbage, and I'm going to cut up a half a cup of pickled beets. Now the only thing about pickled beets, it will color your cabbage, it will color, everything you got is going to be red. But it still makes a pretty dish. It makes a good dish. So whenever you're doing this, make sure that you use I use a glass bowl, because if you use your plastic bowls that most people use, it will stain them up really, really bad. I'm just going to dump that in there right now because I need to see how many I've got of these beets. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Well, that's not even a half a cup yet, so let's get just some more. I know if you get your beets from somewhere like Costco's or Sam's, they're in chunks, and sometimes they are firmer. Okay, I've got a half a cup of pickled beets. Wipe my mess up right quick. And all you got to do is mix it together. And like I say, get a bowl a glass bowl, simply because those beets are going to stain up everything. Just mix this together a little bit. Put your beets in here. Stir it together. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons full of raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Get it all together. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Pickled beet salad. Makes a pretty dish, especially if you're going somewhere to take a dish. It makes a real pretty dish, but just try to chill it for at least an hour. But you can keep this in the refrigerator up to 3 days. Okay, again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe, join my channel, come back to see me. And this is really a simple recipe. You just need shredded carrots, shredded cabbage, some pickled beets. I happen to get the sliced ones because that's all they had. And I'm using raspberry vinaigrette. Okay, have a very good day, and I'll catch you again later. Bye.